Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. This is Vicki and I'm here to share some info with you. I've been playing with the Cricut holographic vinyl. This is the iron-on vinyl, and I looked up a bunch of YouTube videos because I want to put the iron-on vinyl on a book cover that I'm doing, and I wanted to see if it would work, and the videos that I watched were not very helpful and not very informative. So I thought I would make my own video for anybody else out there that may be questioning whether or not you can do this. This is just chipboard, and I used score tape and the piece of paper that I put on the cover of my book. I've cut an image out. This is the sheet of vinyl, and it's blue. When you cut it, you're going to put that side down on your mat, and this is the side you're going to cut. This is the part that's going to end up being ironed on. So you don't really need transfer paper with this, which was one of the things that I learned. I wanted to share in Design Space how you go about doing the vinyl in case there's somebody out there that hasn't tried it yet. The iron-on, that is. So this image is a circle, so it's not going to matter that whether or not it's mirrored. If it's words, it's really going to matter because it'll go on your project backwards. Depending on which way you want your image to show up on your project, if you want it to look the way it is on your mat on your project, then you're going to want to mirror it. And I'll show you what happens when you don't mirror it. If you say, so for instance, this is going to be the holographic vinyl, and you go into Make It, and up here you're going to browse all of your material. And over here it asks for category, what category you're looking for. I'm looking for iron-on. And then down here it'll say holographic iron-on. And that's what I want, so I'm done. Now it gives you a warning. Make sure mirror is turned on and iron material is face shiny side down on the mat. That's when the holographic part, that's this stuff. And then this would be the part that is face up that's going to cut. Just to give you that little bit of information, again, make sure your image is mirrored if you're doing iron-on. So this is the image I'm going to use. I did a test one before the video, but I did it with only one hand, otherwise I would have showed you that video. So here I'm going to try and do it with two hands. So I have set my easy press to 305 for 15 seconds. I just want to put it down a little bit to make sure that it's in the spot that I want it. I'm just adding a little bit of pressure. And let's see what it did. Am I in frame? I'm doing this kind of blind, so I apologize if I'm not in frame. And it worked. So there you go. This one came out much better than my first attempt. So first I would say test it on something, but this worked great. My chipboard's in one piece, my glue's in one piece, and the image came out really pretty. I really like it. So I can't wait to put this on the book that I'm creating for my son and his girlfriend. They went on a trip to New York, and when it's done, I will share it with you.